on Phillip Island. Seaside wind is running wild. Riders lean into the corners, chasing glory, chasing miles. And in the VIP suite, the view is more than just a thrill. Lauren, Olivia, and Emma meet up, Friday magic on the hill. Oh, it's MotoGP at the island. Feel the speed and feel alive. Legends racing by the ocean under that Australian sky. In the chairman's suite, they're laughing, making memories that won't fade. It's a perfect Friday feeling at the MotoGP parade. Oh, from the trackside to the lounge, you can hear the engine sing. Every turn's a new adventure, every lap a crown for kings. Hello, and Olivia and Emma toasting to the weekend's flow.